So forever, promotional products have been really limited by the fact that you can only get and brand items that you could actually stick your logo onto. So mugs, t-shirts, pens, which everybody has a junk drawer full of. But 3D printing is able to produce fully original products that can be branded and can be redesigned in order to create something that is truly unique and truly represent the company that it's meant to represent. So, since Slant 3D is one of the largest print farms in the world, we decided to create this service so that people could create promotional items that are actually unique and not just another t-shirt or pen for people to hand out. In order to launch this service, we're starting with a few key categories. In the drinks category, we're releasing koozies and coasters. These are great for restaurants or events where you want to actually potentially hide the brand of whatever might be going inside of the koozie, or giving your patrons something that they can actually remember and really represents your establishment. For larger events like golf, we have already done a lot of work in golf tees. Therefore, we're releasing a service where we will actually design custom golf tees for clients and allow them to produce something that represents their event in a way that was never possible before. It has never been easy to quickly, within a few weeks, produce a custom tee for an event or some sort of exhibition. We're releasing a section of trophies where you will be able to customize the actual physical model of the trophy to a limited degree to actually represent what your organization is doing, your team, your company, whatever it may be, so that the trophy represents the event that you want to give this award at. This has never been possible before. Trophies have always been restricted to the 5 main sports, and then you engrave somebody's name on a plaque. It's not very interesting. This makes it interesting again. Over time, we will be releasing more key products and promotional items that companies will be able to modify in order to better represent their brand. We want to expand the capabilities of 3D printing to make sure that these products maintain a high quality and really give marketers and organizations a way to express themselves that has never been possible before. If you want to find out more, go over to slantpromo.com and you can find out more about what we're doing. Have a great day, everybody.